Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Take your flat blade tool, and you go in right here. There's a little tab you push down there, little tab you push down on this side, and this comes right out. There's two locks on this side that slide in, and then those are the two tabs you push down. To reinstall, I want to make sure those two tabs are lined up in the back first. And you just push down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.